Hello, fellow guitar players. Have you had a time where you're playing a lovely song and out of nowhere you break your guitar string and you have no clue how to fix it? Well, that's why I'm here. My name is Alejandro Rodriguez and I'm here to show you how to fix a broken guitar string. Now, before fixing anything, we have to learn some guitar parts that we're going to be handling with. Now, for starters, on the top of the guitar, we're going to be handling the capstan and the tuners, which is where the string gets its sound. Now, traveling down the guitar, we're going to be handling the bridge and the bridge pin, which is where the string and the guitar is connected. And we already know the guitar string, which is what we're fixing today. And now that you know these parts, we're going to go straight into taking off the broken string. Now, just like the first picture, we're going to start off by plucking off the bridge pin. And you should easily slide the end of the string off. And it should look like a loop at the end. And after taking it off, you can place it to the side. I actually advise that you wear a glove for this next step because we will be handling some sharp string. Now, at the top, the string will be winded up around the capstan. So you would need to untune it so it loosens up the string and you're able to easily slide the string out and unwind it. Be careful, please, though, because it might slap off and it can leave some cuts. So please, slowly unwind it, and you should already have the string off. You just place it to the side. Now that we have the broken string off, now it's time to put our new one on. Okay, just like the first picture, we're going to do everything but in reverse now. Now that you have your new string now, we're going to start off with the end of the string, which has a loop on it. So now that we have our bridge pin off, we should easily slide that end into the bridge. The bridge pin would have a little cutoff, which is where the string will slide through when putting in the bridge pin. You put the bridge pin in, leave it alone, and now it's connected to the guitar. This part is a little tricky. Now, for the other end, you grab the string, alright, and the capstan would have a hole in it. So you put the string through the hole, and after you start winding up the tuner. When winding up the tuner, it tightens the string, which is how it gets its sound. So you wind it up slowly. Sometimes a very common mistake is that we tune it too fast and the string will break and you will need to use a new one. So you tune it really slowly to where it's really solid and you can hold it. And now it's going to be all winded up around the capstan. And now your new string is on. To conclude my speech, after you're ready with your new string, you're able to tune the guitar to whatever note the string is on. And you can cut off the excess parts of the string, which is hanging. And you could use that and dispose of it. So now that you have your new string, you're able to play guitar however you like, play whatever songs you want. But make sure to be careful, please, because sometimes breaking a string might get you hurt. But now that you know, you can help out a friend, you can help out anyone who plays guitar, and now you're able to enjoy whatever guitar sessions you want. Thank you for listening, and please, enjoy playing guitar.